Today's winds have kept firefighters busy as they battled several fires across West Michigan. And that includes a bonfire out in Ottawa County. 13 on your side's Callie Lichter joins us live from the scene of where that barn fire happened. And Callie, officials say this fire spread beyond the barn.
That's right, Lauren. I'm live in Blendon Township. I'm going to give you a look to my side real quick where you can see the barn is a total loss and the trees behind it reduced to charred stumps. Around 8 fire departments responded to the blaze this afternoon, which officials say started after a lawnmower overheated in the barn. With the weather and wind conditions, the fire spread, creating a few small grass fires and catching a shed's roof on fire. Fortunately, there were no injuries. There's no way to control the winds on a red flag day like today, but there are ways to help out if you spot some flames.
Obviously, get to a safe position if possible. If you have a fire extinguisher of a hose, you could do it from a safe spot, then do that. The biggest thing is to call 911 or alert the units, as early as possible.
There was also concern across West Michigan today about haziness in the sky. Deputy Chief Miller says it could be caused by other wildfires in the area. The red flag warning is set to expire tonight at 8 p.m. Besides wildfires, officials also say to be careful while doing activities outside like camping, grilling outdoors using a chainsaw, or driving ATVs. Live in Blendon Township, I'm Callie Lichter, 13 on your side.